In a remote village in India, people grow bridges out of living trees. In the lush, rain-drenched hills of Meghalaya, the Khasi and Jaintia tribes have mastered the art of guiding the roots of rubber fig trees to form sturdy, natural bridges over rivers and streams. These living root bridges, known as Jinkyangshri, can take up to 15 years to fully develop, but once grown, they last for centuries, growing stronger and more intricate over time. Imagine walking on a bridge that not only connects 2 points but also breathes and thrives with the forest around it. This ancient technique is not just a feat of bioengineering but a testament to the harmonious relationship between humans and nature, offering a sustainable solution to the challenges posed by the region's heavy monsoon rains.